DOJ investigates New York Attorney General Letitia James over Trump fraud lawsuit. The Justice Department DOJ has launched a probe into New York Attorney General Letitia James, CNN reported, citing sources familiar with the case. The investigation seeks to determine whether James' office violated the rights of U.S. President Donald Trump during the handling of a civil fraud lawsuit against him. James, a Democrat, has been issued 2 subpoenas. In addition to the Trump-related civil fraud probe, she is also being investigated over her office's handling of a separate case involving the National Rifle Association (NRA). The civil fraud case involving Trump dates back to 2023, when James filed and won a lawsuit against Trump and his companies. The suit alleged that Trump and his executive team engaged in fraudulent business practices by inflating the value of his businesses and the market worth of his real estate holdings in both New York and Florida. Despite denying any wrongdoing, Trump and his eldest sons were found liable for 10 years of fraud. The court imposed a fine exceeding $500 million, including interest. Announcing the ruling, Judge Arthur Engoron stated that the frauds shocked the conscience. Trump has consistently criticized both Engoron and James, labeling the Attorney General's actions as politically motivated and accusing her of being a racist. The second probe into James concerns her office's legal action against the NRA and its leadership. James had previously sought the dissolution of the NRA, a request that was ultimately rejected by the court. However, in 2024, she secured a legal victory against NRA leader Wayne LaPierre. A jury found LaPierre guilty of diverting millions of dollars from the organization to fund his personal lifestyle. Swipe left for next video. While the DOJ has not publicly commented on the subpoenas, an attorney for James has strongly condemned the investigation, calling it a dangerous escalation and the most blatant and desperate example of this administration carrying out the president's political retribution campaign. Abbe Lowell added, weaponizing the Department of Justice to try to punish an elected official for doing her job is an attack on the rule of law and a dangerous escalation by this administration. Latest blogs.